So this thing right here, after one sip, took away all voices. And, Murder USA, a video that I made, talks about 9 years of voices after 9 years of not having voices after being chemically fucked by a chemical. So 9 years of voices, voice torture, and this takes away the voices. I drank some half and half, and I think it caused the voices. Voices come from brain inflammation, so chemicals that can cause brain inflammation cause voices. But this thing took away, in one sip, took away the voices that were starting from the half and half that I drank, the brain inflammation that was starting from the half and half I drank. So, Murder USA, Torture USA, free, 2000, charging my phone, free 2025. So, thank you very much. I don't recognize 2026. I don't live by human time. So free 2025. And this thing takes away voices. So it probably takes away inflammation. So, yeah, Murder USA, check out the video in my video section. Thanks.